Hi, I'm about to do an acid-base neutralization that will form a gas. So I will be reacting baking soda with vinegar. And the reaction that will take place is written down here. This is the formula for vinegar, and this is the formula for baking soda. And it will produce H2O, which is water, CO2, and then sodium and CH3COO, negative. Sodium ion, which is Na+. What an acid is. An acid generally donates protons, which are parts of an atom that we prescribe as plus. And bases generally receive protons from acids. So acids and bases always react. It's an acid-base neutralization, and they become neither acidic nor basic. They become neutral. To tell you what an acid is generally something that tastes sour. Like when you eat vinegar on salad, it tastes sour. And then a base will taste bitter. So I'm sure you've tasted things that are bitter. But this reaction will, acid-base neutralization is a double displacement reaction. So a double displacement reaction is when the partners sort of switch who they're with. So A partners with B, C partners with D, but then A ends up with D and B ends up with C. You have a switching, both pairs switch whose partner they have. And in this case, the acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate will switch their partners. And the result will be NaC2H3O2 and H2CO3. Now, why that will not be shown in the formula, the other formula that I wrote down, is because that H2CO3 will decompose into H2O and CO2 because that's what it likes to do. And also, the NaC2H3O2 will dissociate in water. So it'll be the Na, which is a sodium plus ion, and the CH3COO negative ion. And that's why the formula here will be written down as such. Produce gas in the form of CO2, and that will bubble, and you'll be able to see that. So here I will put my vinegar and my reaction vessel, which is my cup. There's a little water along the sides because I cleaned this out. And then I will put some baking soda in there and then mix it. Professional measurement. This is how a scientist does it. So you can see the bubbles that are forming, and you can hear the bubbles, I'm sure. And that is the CO2 escaping through the fluid as it's popping out of that meshwork of aerated fluid. And that is the acid-base neutralization with vinegar and baking soda that produces CO2, a gas. Thank you.